slime. Hi guys, welcome back to Amberu Vlogs. Hi guys, welcome back to Amberu Vlogs. And thank you for all those people who watch my videos. I have 1,000 subscribers! Hooray! And I'm very, very happy. I am feeling yellow. And remember, yellow is the emotion about happy. Yellow is happy. I'm feeling happy, and I'm also happy because today we are going to make slime. So the ingredients we need are glue, shaving foam. We're not going to use glitter, so borax with water and a spatula or a stick. We need a bowl. We're going to try with food color instead of glitter. So first step we need is a bowl. This is kind of heavy. Get our spatula. Now the first material we need is glue. So I'm gonna open the glue. This time we're gonna make a bigger. We're gonna make like big slime, but not too big, like bigger than us. That's gonna be crazy. So here I go. See, I'm adding glue to the bowl. That's enough for now. I think it's too much. Alright, I'm gonna close the lid. Now, next step is shaving foam. But there's a very important thing before you use shaving foam. You have to shake it. This is a shake. You know what your shaving foam is? You know what your dad uses, like for the mud, so it'll be clean. So you're gonna pour this inside. More. That's it. That's enough. Okay. Please don't drop. Now we're gonna mix it. You can use a stick or a spatula. I'm gonna try with a stick. So I'm gonna mix with the stick. Let's mix until later at the very end it's gonna turn into slime. And do you know there's another word for mixture? Mix. Can you hear those sounds? See? I just love some. Now what color will I put? Maybe blue? I'm gonna make blue slime because blue is my favorite color. 4 drops. 1, 2, 3. So now let's close the lid. Let's mix it up.
Oh no!
Sometimes lids are very slippery. Have to be careful. Hold it tight. Now let's put it back inside and then close the lid. Now let's mix. What is gonna look like? Whoa, look it. See guys? It's turning blue. Now I'm going to put water mixed with borax. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna mix it again. We're gonna see what it looks like. So now I'm gonna put more. So it's gonna be stickier.
A few moments later.
Look at the bowl now, it's different. See? Look at that. Oh, look at that. So here is, that's too sticky. Okay, so this is the slime and it's too sticky. I guess so. Let's keep on mixing. If it gets sticky and then it's not ready and then we touch it, it's gonna stick on your hands. You have to wash your hands. I'm gonna try the spatula to mix.
One eternity later.
So guys, it's almost slime, guys. See, you see that? It's almost slime. It's getting like, see the bottom, it's almost clean, right? But the side, it's not kind of clean. I'm gonna get the side of the slime. It looks like it's dancing, but it looks like we're making pandesal, and sometimes it looks like the pandesal, when we make some pandesal, is dancing. Now we're gonna knead it. That means you have to play with it. There's my baby brother. He's eating something. I'm gonna put the bowl on the side, and it is slime. Guys, look at the slime. See, now we made slime. I hope you made your own slime, but you can follow me if you like, or you can use different colors of food color, like red, any color, yellow, green. If you have lots of food color, you can use one, or you can switch, like you can have like a trivia time. That means you mix colors together. My favorite brother is so fun. He makes lots of noise someday on my video, but yeah, that's okay. Look, it's getting like sticky. Yes, watch that. I made a smiley face. And thank you for all those people who learned how to make slime from me. I hope you had your slime, and I hope you enjoy your slime, guys. I hope you liked my video. Bye! Bye, slime!